Hi friends, I'm filming this for Monday, February 22nd. I'm out this morning. We'll be meeting at 10:30 when I get back home. You do have some independent tasks to complete this morning. The first independent task is very important. As I have told you, you are going to be the ones presenting your PowerPoints to your parents at conferences. Conferences start today. They start this afternoon. So I'd like you to spend some time this morning going through your PowerPoint. Open it up and read through slide by slide, making sure that you wrote everything in complete sentences, that everything makes sense on each slide. I would encourage you to go ahead and check out the links on your math Flipgrid or to your math Flipgrid in your social studies Flipgrid. Make sure that they open correctly and all of that. Make sure that you've answered every slide. I saw in a couple people's they didn't finish their social studies. Also, some friends haven't filmed a social studies Flipgrid. And then I did add on a last slide there that is your map information. And I will be the one sharing the map information with your parents. But at your conference, you're going to share your screen and I'm going to say, okay, Sally, take it away. And you are going to be reading to your parents what you wrote on here, sharing with them what you've learned this year. And of course, on every slide, we have a goal. And again, like I said to you, this really does need to be a goal that you truly have, something you want to get better at this year. So finally, my last advice would be to not only read over it and make sure it all looks good and sounds good, but you can actually practice presenting. So go in a room by yourself, close the door so your parents don't hear you, and go through and read your slides aloud, and so that you're practicing as though you really are presenting to your parents. All right, I will be back at 10:30 and we will meet. Talk to you soon. Bye.